If you already perform an oral evaluation, if you already palpate this musculature, keep in mind that the masseter and temporal are the main elevator muscles of the jaw and are very common to have muscle nodules. If the patient, when you press the temporal, says, that's the headache I feel, that's cephalalgia, you've made the connection. His headache is connected to the muscle pain, meaning it is very likely a tension headache. At that moment, the patient connects with you in such a way when you discover a pain they have that no one has ever discovered before. You as a dentist can do this. There is no better satisfaction than being able to relieve a patient from a headache crisis, accompanied by dental treatment, accompanied with our expertise, which is to relate all of this. So head and neck are our domain. This oral evaluation is fundamental. And I want to ask you, do you know any dentist who does this? Do you know any dentist who genuinely palpates both nodes, head and neck? Do you do this? So let's build this dentistry together. So if you want to know more about these topics, start following me and share with more dentists.